Hey there mga my loves, Aries! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simulan ng reading ninyo mga mahal, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you, at kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre wala tayong gender here. Bahay, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, without further ado, let's begin. And let's see what do we have here for you, Aries. So, Spirit and Angel guides, Angel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here? Messages for my Aries, please. This is for Aries. Messages for Aries, please. Aries. Nakita ko ng charger mga babes, no? Hindi ko alam kung scotch tape ba yun or what, no? So yan. Baka naka-scotch tape or nakatali yung charger ninyo. Yan. Nakulay kasi, no? So yan. Yung parang para mag-flow ng maayos yung energy. Yan. Dati gawain ko yun. Pero yun yung mga babes, so syempre para iwas rin ng mga sunog, ganyan, no. Kung hindi na kaya, no, palitan nyo na lang yung mga charger ninyo, mga babes, yan, para iwas disgrasya. Okay. Could be reading. Aries. Oh, Aries. Okay. Alright. Oh! We have your divine counterpart, mga babes, no? So, hindi ko alam kung committed ka na ba. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung committed ka na, mga babes, no? At hindi ko rin alam kung ikaw tong committed or may committed dito na papadating sa'yo. Napakarami ng energies, no? Na super attracted sa'yo ngayon, Aries, no? So, kung ikaw ay meron ditong partner na or may in relationship ka na or baka kasal ka na, no, with the Hierophant right here, or baka nakikita mo na yung someone na yan, or may nakikita ka, whether in relationship ka sa kanya or hindi pa, may nakikita ka as someone here na gusto mo na talagang makasama sa future, no? Nakikita ko rito na regardless kung may gusto ka man or meron kang tinitingnan na iba, yung yung laki ng attraction nitong mga energies na to sa'yo ay hindi nagbabago. I can see lot of energies right here wanting to try to compete with your heart. Yan, no, for your love. Yun, no, ang daming paparating sa'yo rito, no, kahit na meron ka ritong ibang tinitingnan. So, maaari ikaw ay highly spiritual, no, pero wala sa kanila yung hinahanap mo, eh. Meron ditong isa ka, you have this loyal heart, you have this faithful heart right here. Yan, no, hindi ko nakikita mga babes, no, na matitibag ito kung sino man yung tinitingnan mo na yan. Aries. Yeah, we have here divine counterpart, the Hierophant in the High Priestess energy. And you have lots of courtiers coming in. The Knight of Coins, King of Wands energy, Knight of Swords, Emperor. And even your ex is coming back right here. But you have, no, parang may nanalo na. Ibig sabihin, may wagi na sa puso mo, no? At nakikita ko rito na poprotektahan mo tong energy na to, no? Itong relationship na to, itong connection na to with someone here. Nakikita mo na kasi yung long term mo sa kanya, nakikita mo yung happiness mo sa kanya ka masaya. So, baka ikaw ay talagang born with the natural beauty. Your physical appearance is also might be standing out right here. You've got also other successful people here wanting to come towards you. Yung iba dito mga babes, no, dahil nag-iisip sila, no, nag-i-strategize sila rito, no, kung paano nila maagaw yung atensyon mo. Kasi yung iba, pwede kasing hindi mo kilala. Pero nakakita ko ng mga successful people dito, no, like we have here the Emperor, and they're that King of Wands energy. This could be someone here na matataas yung mga ranggo sa pinagtatrabahuhan nila. So, pwedeng higher position with high honor right here, could be business owner, could be CEO pa nga. So, kung sino man itong mga to, no, they could be, meron sila ritong parang mga minamanage na people right here, no, and they want mga babes, no, mapansin mo. Yan, no. So, siguro hindi nila alam, no, kung meron ka na bang ibang kakonik ni, pero iba alam nila mga babes, no, pero kukonek pa rin sila sa'yo at pwedeng idaan nila yon, no, sa pamamagitan ng business partnerships kuno, no. May kinalaman kunwari sa work or business, no, para lang mapansin mo sila. Kasi mukhang mahirap, no, masikreto ka, mysterious kayo ng dating mo sa kanila, no, mahirap na maagaw yung atensyon mo rito, no. Eh, hindi naman nila sinasabi na ma-attract or na-attract ka, no, sa money or material things here, but they're trying to compete right here at parang wala na sila ibang maisip na paraan, no, para mapalapit sa'yo. Kaya nakikita ko rito, nagagamit na rin sila na parang business proposal here, kunwari may related sa work, no, pero yung totoo gusto ka lang nila, no, na parang, alam mo yung dating mo, yung para kang pag naglakad ka, sinusundan ka ng spotlight. Ganun yung dating dito eh. Kasi you have lots of people right here attracting, no, papunta sa'yo. Na-attract mo sila rito to the point na kung may asawa ka na ngayon, or kung ikaw man ay may boyfriend, girlfriend, or kahit na wala, pero meron ka ritong someone na tinitingnan, like, literally, gusto ka pa rin nila. Yung nakikita ko rito. Meron silang nakikita sa'yo, no, na very attracting. And I think ikaw to na positibo ka mag-isip. Kasi ang lakas ng vibration mo eh. Yung frequency mo is high frequency right here. You have lots of people right here. Alam mo yung parang ang dating mo is parang kang celebrity rito. No, na ikaw yung nakaagaw ng atensyon nitong mga to. And this is your ex coming back right here. Mamadali siya rito. No, gusto rin niya makipag-compete para sa'yo. This is definitely your ex right here. Okay? Naka-move on ka na kung sino man yan. Yan, no? So, someone here is rushing as well towards you, and this is your ex. Okay? And, I'm picking up as well, no, na this person, yeah, I don't know, no, but this gives me this kind of energy that if this is your ex, this is not the ex who did something bad to you. Okay? Parang, naging kayo lang noon, no? So, pwedeng natapos ang yung relationship niyo because of other matters, no? But not because of a third party na tao or not because na iniwan ka niya, yan, no? Nagbabalik siya rito kasi gusto niya makipag-compete rito kasi na-attract mo rin, no? Na-attract ng energy mo itong person na to na bumalik sa'yo. Lahat sila. Gusto nila rito, mga babes, no? Meron ba rito, no, na matured guy or matured woman, no? Like, literally, pwede may age gap kayo niyan. So, nakikita ko na magkakagusto rin yan sa'yo. So, hindi ko sila nakikitang sabay-sabay na magkakagusto sa'yo. Pero nakikita ko silang lahat na magkakagusto sa'yo. No? Pero iba-iba sila rito ng dating, ng time period, no? Ng timeline here. Pero lahat sila ay gusto rito na makadaupang palad ka, makilala ka dito, no? At hindi ko sila nakikitang tumitigil kahit malaman pa nila na meron ka ritong ibang tinitingnan at ibang minamahal. Ganun sila ka-competitive. Yan, no? At nakakaloka, lahat sila gusto nilang manalo rito. Yan. Pero yun nga, hindi ko nakikitang matitibag to. Kaya kung inaalala mo kung meron ka na asawa, manggugulo ba tong mga to, no? Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano sila gagalaw dito. Pero hindi sila nagtumitigil rito, no? Na makipag-compete sa attention mo. At hindi rin sila mga babes, no? Tumitigil dito dahil lang meron ka na ka-in relationship. Yan, no? So, ganun sila ka-attract, no? To the point na yung iba obsessed na rin dito. So, hindi ko alam kung sino tong Aries energy na to, no, mga mahal, no? Hindi ko alam kung sino sa inyo to, no? Pero yung energy mo is attracting a lot of people papunta sa'yo. Yan, no? Lahat sila rito, may i-offer sa'yo rito, pero wala. Wala ka dyan napapansinin. Kasi meron kang tinatangi sa heart mo, eh. Yun yung namumukod tangi, no? At pwedeng, kung sino man yung tao na yun, parang alam mo, may nanalo na. Ganun nga, yung energy, no? May nanalo na. So, whatever the case may be, I can see here someone right beside you. Marunong umunawa, pinaka-understanding sa lahat, kagaya mo rin dito, no? So, this is you. Pwede kasing ikaw ay napaka-private mo na tao, no? To the point na walang nakakaalam rito, no, ng background ng buhay mo unless super close kayo nun. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na both of you guys, okay, ay poprotektahan tong relationship nyo from other people right here. Okay? But you know, it's a natural thing, no? Lalo na kapag ka happy ka, feeling contented ka sa lahat ng meron sa buhay mo, feeling grateful ka at nagpapasalamat ka, thankful sa lahat ng blessings, small to big things. Yan, no? Talagang hindi mo alam at wala kang kaalam-alam, no? Na marami magkakagusto sa'yo. Diyan na maglalabasan yan. Marami na magkakagusto sa'yo, marami mag-a-admire sa'yo, marami na ritong gustong humingi ng tips sa'yo, no? Kung paano sila mag-i-improve sa life. Kasi, you're standing out. Sinusundan ka ng spotlight dito. So, nakikita ko yun dito for you, Aries. Yan, no? Meron pa rito, literal nga, no, na matured guy, matured woman, no? May age gap rito. Pwedeng malayo yung age gap ninyo, like 10 years, more than 15 years right here. Yan, no? Ma-attract mo rin siya. Nakikita ko rito. So, this person is a wealthy person right here. And yung isa dito, business owner ata yan. Daming business rito, no? Roon rin yan ng attraction sa'yo, no? Yan yung mga gagamitin yung mga business proposals, no? Nandito ka na lang mag-work sa company namin kasi may ganito kaming klase ng benefits dito, yan, no? Alam mo yung parang idadaan nila sa mga business proposals, no? Sa qualifications mo kasi qualified ka daw doon sa kanilang company right here, no? They're trying to convince you, no? Na kumagat ka doon for them to be able to see you every day, okay? To witness your beauty, okay? Beauty and madness right here. So, wow. Definitely, you're so attractive, no? Baka alam mo yung paglambas ka sa kanto, matitinginan lahat sa'yo. Okay? So, I don't know who you are, but your vibration says it all. Your energy says it all. It's like finish na, no? Pero, when it comes to your heart, you're guarded. You're protecting this relationship. You're carrying that one and only person in your heart. Yan, no? And nakikita ko rito, no, na ganun din naman yung person na yan na tinatangi mo. So, kung kayo, mga babes, no, is hindi pa kayo in relationship sa kanya, pero nararamdaman nyo strongly that you are on the same page, no, para sa iba na hindi pa kayo in relationship sa tinitingnan ninyo, pero tinatangi nyo siya at alam nyo tinatangi rin niya kayo, no, it's something strong that both of you lang ang nakakaintindi nun. Yan, no. And you know what beautiful about this High Priestess and the Hierophant? This is divinely well-guided couple right here. So, kung ano man yung binubuo ninyong connection dyan, no, nakikita ko rito na puprotektahan rin kayo rito ng inyong angels and spirit guides right here because this is a deep soul connection. Yeah. So, Aries, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin sa'yo rito. So, it's more likely of trying to compete to your attention into your heart over here. Yan, no? Iba-iba pa yung ages nila rito, pero let's not get fixed with the age. But, sinabi ko yun kasi it's standing out as well, no? But I can see right here, no, na hadlangan man kayo, no, at marami man ditong maglabasa na options, ito at itong taon pa rin na to ang pipiliin mo. Kung sino yung nilalaman ng puso mo, tapos period, siya lang, walang iba. Ano man ang i-offer sa'yo rito, kahit bigyan ka pa, no, kasi may kayang magbigay sa'yo, may mayaman dito, may kayang magbigay sa'yo rito ng bahay, ng lote, ng kotse, kahit ano. Pero, wala ka dong pakialam. Kasi this is you, you're really focused here on this person and you're faithful and loyal, no, with this person over here. So, thank you so much, Aries. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong.